I put it in drive.
Yeah, you gotta be in drive, but we can't go anywhere. This time on the adventures of Ben and Joey.
Hi.
And Tyler.
Hi.
That's kind of funny. You know, the first time that you ever appeared on this video, we were going to rescue a 4Runner for me.
Really?
You remember that?
That's right.
Like, we didn't even really know each other, and we're just like, oh, I'll take you. Let's go get a truck.
Are we becoming best friends?
I know. Well, you guys are like the only people that called me all weekend. Not throwing shade on anyone that's supposed to be my friends or anything. That's like $300 in foam. If I need this much foam to protect these fenders, I don't know how well they're gonna do off trail. I'm just kidding. I'm sure they're really tough, and they wanted them to come here in great shape all the way from China. What are we doing today? It's like an IKEA assembly project. Installing some fenders on this 2011 Jeep JKU red big lifted thing. I don't know if you guys want to see this or not. Comment below. We'll get back to mini truck stuff. Those suck. Those suck. Yeah, these are trash. Those are trash. These are gonna look much better. And then those gotta go, because that's horrible. Good maybe for this one. Bad for this one. Need some big pimping on here. I suggest you guys find yourself one of these 10mm bolt receivers. It's really good when you drop your bolts and they go all the way across from where you're working. And you get one of these. It's available through Snap-on, but I did find out there's a Harbor Freight alternative if you're on a budget like me. It's a great retrieval unit tool. Okay, now bring it back. Works about 0 out of 10 times. Kind of like the sky doesn't want me to finish the job or something. Might be time for a new plate. About to lose that tag soon. Friggin' rain came down hard and heavy, but only for about an hour. But whatever. I managed to get the second front one on. Now we're back out here working on the back, which is getting all nut-zerted. Thank goodness I bought this. This thing is amazing. This one has been really good. It's strong. It's lasted. Came with a bunch of stuff. Lincoln Bio, because it's starting to rain, so I'm gonna go back inside. Now, if anybody's interested in, you know, putting these on your Jeep, or maybe you want to throw these on your mini truck, I'm pretty sure the process is the same. First, you gotta rip the old crappy fender off, and you get in here and remove what's left of the dried out, crappy Arizona weather clips. Then you're gonna get your favorite handy dandy step bit and open that hole. Don't go too big. Well, even though that took me most of the day because of work and this crazy thunderstorms, you only had to put up with watching me do this for about a minute and a half. I don't know, we'll see how long this edits down to.
And then things attach to the bottom of them. And then if they don't clean their boats and they don't clean their gear, they come and they put their boats in here and
doing a little bit of deliveries today. Could buy a normal truck like other people, like a Tacoma or something. Yeah, I sold the Tacoma. You might have missed that a few videos ago. A friend of mine's got it now. Why did I sell it? Well, I don't know, because I have too many other trucks and I don't use them a lot. So it's time to deliver something. I know it would be nice to have a truck around. But I have a plan. Getting this one going, that's right. We still own the pink one. And I've been gathering some parts and doing some things in the background. So this one is probably gonna be my new delivery truck. There isn't much else I can do, but maybe use that one, you know. I can't use this. It doesn't have a bag. But I can use this to help get the pink one back on the road. As well, it had some parts that I needed for my truck, and you can't really say no to Toyota stuff nowadays, right? Check it out. Good doors. Shut nice. Look, even got a stereo. If anybody needs a stereo, right? Old school JVC. I know this old school stuff's going for big butts now. So, got some lights. Look at how these doors shut. Huh? Beautiful. Good roof. Good unmolested frame. Not rusty. Any of you guys back east, check out these old school air shocks. Got the Gabriel hijackers. You guys go ahead and laugh all you want, but I know a gold mine when I see one. All right, enough chatter. In all seriousness, I've got 2 of these coffins to deliver today. You guys know I got a small business I run, so gotta get it done by any means necessary, and then we can get back to work on the fun stuff. Give you guys a little sneak peek inside my vault too, all right? Chrome bumpers, chrome bumper, old school TV. Got some Toyota parts. Trying to build my own cool vault of stuff. I need to get in here and get organized now that it's cooling off. You guys should know by now, I never throw any Toyota parts away. Toyota parts are gold, man. Gold. A little bit of flooding due to all that rain. That rain definitely made a mess out of things. Long time viewers of my channel may recognize this bed even. Yeah, still got it. It's got one good bedside. So there's that. Donor car, you say? That's none of your business. Be sure to subscribe though so you don't miss out on anything, because you know, pink truck, donor car, pink truck, donor car. I mean, there is an 87 Supra sitting over there that doesn't like to start. Possibilities. Ugh. Delivery vehicle. Number 2. Yeah, the day's not quite over. Yeah, they're all blurry and selfie camera down on a 6-year-old phone. Maybe 7 at this point. But truck's not done doing its errands today. Marketplace got me. Now I gotta go buy stuff. Facebook Marketplace deals. Huh? Gotta love that. It's been a while since we had one of those videos where we went and picked a new project up. Hopefully this video is that. I mean, we're going to pick a new project up.
Like, what
it just might not be mine.
Show would take, and I know
it'd be cool if it was mine. But either way, it's fun to go along on the journey.
I'm just thinking.
If I put it in drive.
Yeah, you gotta be in drive, but we can't go anywhere. This time on the adventures of Ben and Joey.
Hi.
And Tyler. Hey, look, in all seriousness now, where are we headed today?
We might be picking up another mini truck.
Woo! Minitrucks. I could say it was Minitruck Monday, but we don't know when this thing's gonna drop. I don't usually drop videos on Mondays.
Well, any mini truck involved on Minitruck Monday is a mini truck. Doesn't matter.
Okay, so just timestamp it for the future.
Yeah.
It's Minitruck Monday. Unless my boss is working, then I'm totally at work.
Well, this mini truck's not one that I typically would have anyways. It's not a Toyota, unfortunately. Not a Toyota.
Well, I'm really saddened to tell you guys we didn't catch the official Minitrucker workout on video. But you guys should work out a little bit more at the gym than just when it comes time to picking up projects. That's all I'm gonna say. No shame, no shame. Who's ready for some monsters? Woo! I didn't want to record at the guy's house. No Toyotas were harmed in the making of this video.
We need.
Tyler, what did you get? What is this thing?
Ask him.
What is this, Mr. Joey? Nissan Frontier, 90-ish-ish?
2000.
2000. Not bad.
No.
Good looking mini truck.
Are you ready to roll it?
Yeah.
We didn't want to film a lot at the dude's house out of respect for his house and all. Did you guys move that board? I'm guessing so. Why is this Nissan so heavy? It looks gangsta.